Once upon a time, in the heart of California, a young man named Conrad had a dream. Unlike most dreams, it wasn't about fame, riches, or even a life of leisure. Instead, Conrad dreamt of creating a moving company. Now, you might wonder, a moving company? Why would anyone dream of that? But Conrad's dream wasn't just about any moving company. He dreamt of a company built on trust, friendship, and a shared love for helping others. Conrad was a firm believer in the notion that labor, when shared among friends, becomes less of a chore and more of a fun endeavor. So, he gathered his most trusted friends, each one with a unique set of skills and a shared sense of camaraderie, and embarked on a journey to make his dream a reality. Together, they formed what we now know as Conrad's Hauling and Delivery Company. They began by helping friends and family in their local community. Their reputation for reliability, efficiency, and friendliness quickly spreading by word of mouth. Soon, they found themselves covering the entire state of California and even reaching beyond its borders. The team at Conrad's Hauling and Delivery doesn't just move boxes and furniture. They move lives, memories, and dreams. They understand that each move signifies a change, a new direction in life. They take pride in being a part of this significant transition, ensuring that it's smooth, hassle-free, and even enjoyable. Each day at Conrad's Hauling and Delivery is a day spent among friends, doing what they love. And at the end of the day, they go back to their families, satisfied in the knowledge that they've helped someone else go back to theirs, in a new place they can call home. Conrad's dream wasn't just about creating a moving company. It was about creating a moving experience that people could trust, rely on, and even enjoy. It was about turning a typically stressful task into a pleasant experience. And with Conrad's Moving Company, that's exactly what you get. So if you find yourself at the threshold of a new direction in life, needing to move from one place to another, remember Conrad's Hauling and Delivery. Trust them with your memories, your dreams, and your new beginnings. Because at Conrad's Moving Company, they don't just move things, they move lives. Choose Conrad's Moving Company for your moving needs. Experience the difference of a move made with friendship, trust, and a shared love for helping others. So when you are ready to take that journey, visit www.wedelivernationwide.com. Conrad's Hauling and Delivery.